One of my favorite things with seafood is definitely lemon. So to finish off our meal today, I'm making just an old-timey lemon meringue pie. And we're going to start with just sweetened condensed milk. Oh, I love this stuff. Now, actually, I'm using a deep dish pie shell today, so I'm doubling the recipe because I like real thick, tall pies. All right, so how easy is this to put together? I'm going to use about a heaping teaspoon of lemon zest. And let's see, I'm probably going to use about a half a cup of lemon juice. This is one of those easy recipes that you can make in advance and have it waiting on you. All right, now I'm going to take my egg yolks, and the important part of this recipe is making sure that they haven't gone past their expiration date and have no cracks in them. The reason I've cautioned you is because this particular pie requires no cooking. It's going to have your raw egg yolks in it. This is really not an issue with me. But, you know, that's really a judgment call for you to make for you and your family. Look how pretty and golden that yolk turns our filling. All right, now we want to make sure that our pie crust has had a chance to come out of the oven and completely cool. So this is ready to go in. And see what a fat, high pie we're going to have. So good and so simple to make. All right, let's move on over here to our meringue. We're going to take our egg whites and slip them into our bowl, and I'm going to use about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar just to ensure that they are going to be nice and fluffy for us. And you'll want to beat your egg whites on a very high speed and slowly add the sugar. It almost looks like divinity candy, doesn't it? So now it's time to top our pie with the meringue and see how nice and stiff it is. Now the important part of frosting your pie is sealing the edges of your pie so that when we refrigerate it, it won't pull away from that crust. We're gonna bring that all the way in and let it nestle up. We want it all to be completely sealed in there. And then I'm gonna just smooth out the rest of my meringue, and we have ourselves one beautiful pie. Okay, this is sealed up real nicely and ready to run into a hot oven. We want it just a nice golden brown. Now I have one that's already ready. Just beautiful. You know, I love this pie. It's probably one of my favorite, but there's only one thing that I don't like about this pie. You can't cut it while it's warm, so I can't taste it right now. In fact, this pie right here is still not quite chilled enough, but you know what? I'm having a piece of this pie regardless. So until next time, America, best dishes from my kitchen to yours.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.